Happy Friday. Rates moved yet again. Inflation just came in at its best levels since early 2021, and the market reacted fast. Let's break down what happened and what this means for you. So, 30-year fixed on a well-priced 30-year fixed opened this morning at 6.22%, down from last week 6.26. A small move, but a meaningful one nonetheless. And really, this is on the backs of yet again slowing employment, unemployment moving higher. But the big one this week was inflation. Now, we did not get month over month reading because the consumer price index report was canceled in October due to the shutdown. But November, boy, oh boy, that was a showstopper. On headline, we dropped to 2.7. Markets were expecting 3%. The bigger one, though, core. Market was expecting 3.1% on a year-over-year basis. We saw 2.6, blasting past all expectation. And again, the market is very in tune as it's showing labor weakening, inflation cooling. We saw some of the biggest improvements in shelter, and there's no denying the fact that rents are falling. Shelter's finally catching up. And with the October reading canceled, as I mentioned earlier, though there is some noise in that, hey, the integrity of the data, that all said, we've seen a pretty nice rally driving mortgage rates lower. Now, with the market responding to labor deteriorating, as I mentioned earlier, is all set the stage for what we'll see in the next two inflation prints if the Fed is only going to cut one time in 2026 or if we'll see more. And if yesterday's inflation data is any leading indicator, could be a wild 2026. Oil prices on top of that have fallen to some of the lowest levels we've seen since 2021, adding more fuel to the narrative around disinflation. So something we'll continue to monitor. As I mentioned, we'll want to see what the next few rounds of CPI look like, more data from employment. But really, as we kind of close out 2025, 2026 has got some incredibly high optimism with rates improving. As always, if you're wanting more updates like this, if you're wanting to help strategize with your clients, communicate what's happening in market, please reach out. We're here. We're happy to help. Like, subscribe, share this message with whoever. The more people we can get this to, the more we can help. As always, let's make it a great day. Happy holidays and an even greater weekend. Thank you, Dow.